All hands, stand by fore and aft. Prepare to secure the mooring lines.
According to the schematic, we need to increase the feed rate slightly right here.
Adjusting parameters now. Monitoring thermal stress.
The stress load rating on frame 52 is optimal.
Confirmed. Proceeding to secure the keel section.
Module alignment check. Port side green.
Starboard side aligned. Proceeding with lowering sequence.
Crane control, we are green for final placement.
Roger that. Lowering at 10 millimeters per second. Steady.
Route the blue harnesses through section Gamma.
Copy that.
Secure the red harnesses on level 3.
Docking sequence initiated. Confirming alignment now.
Alignment confirmed. Initiating power-up sequence for the AN/BQQ10.
All right, bring it down 5 more centimeters. Steady, watching the alignment pins now. Looks good, lock it down.
The photonics mast is operational. We have a clear 360-degree sweep.
Readings look nominal. System stabilization confirmed.
Sonar sweep active. Analyzing returns.
Contact bearing 290. Range increasing rapidly.
Acknowledged. Maneuvering to flank speed.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the starboard side clearance. Steady, steady. Almost there.
We did it! She floats! Hooray! USA!
I'm initiating the scan on Sector 3. Check the tolerances as it cycles.
Readings are stable. Proceeding as planned.
Ballast schematics are online.
Pressurize the hydraulic lines to maximum.
Watch the starboard valve, we have a steam leak.
Is the connection secure?
Level 4 access confirmed. Uploading guidance protocols now.
We have an uncontrolled spike in the primary coolant loop. Temperature exceeding limits.
All stations report status.
Engineering systems green, Captain.
Sonar active. Switching to passive sweep.
We have alignment on the starboard tube.
Confirmed. Calibration complete per NAVSEA standards.
All stations report status.
Sonar sweep active. I'm showing 3 contacts bearing 290.
Acknowledged. Designate targets and establish tracking protocol.
All hands, battle stations maneuver.
Contact bearing 270, range increasing. Analyzing acoustic signature. Looks like a Victor 3 class.
Lower away, slowly. Hold steady on that side, watch your clearance.
Phase alignment is locked. Synchronization complete.
Readings verified. The suite is operational.
Primary ballast seals confirmed. Tags are secure.
Verified on my checklist. Engineering reports green.
Water level check. Rising past the 30-foot mark.
Buoyancy pressure steady. We have lift at the stern.
The stress sensor graphs are stabilizing. Green indicators confirmed. Hull readiness is optimal.
Helm, steady on course 270.
Steady course 270, aye, Captain.
Take her down. Reduce the signature now.
It's stabilizing, Captain. Holding steady at minimal output.
Combat AI Diagnostic Sweep. NAV SE clearance.
Emergency blow, main ballast tanks. Initiate the sequence now.
Affirmative. MBT blow initiated. Rising fast.
Initiate emergency blow sequence now.
Acknowledged. Flooding ballast tanks.
Depth gauge rising fast.
Initiating emergency dive sequence now.
Ballast tanks are flooding. We are dropping fast.
Stabilizers failing to respond. Prepare for rapid ascent.
Sonar, steady bearing.
Weapons, guidance initialized.
Sending.
Torpedo away. Impact in 3, 2, 1.
Initiate manual reactor recovery. Protocol 27 engaged.
Diverting auxiliary power to the core stabilizers.
Readings stabilizing at T-minus 30 seconds. Reviewing the digital test reports now. The performance metrics are well within spec.
Agreed. Sea trial passed. Let's approve the certification.
Launch sequence initialized. Tube clear.
Affirmative. Launching Mark 48.
CIC operational sync is green, confirming all tactical data streams.
Data integrity holding steady. We are fully online.
Approved. Mission ready.
All ahead flank. Initiating evasive sequence now. Prepare for high G-force turn.
Sonar, report vertical velocity.
Heave! Make that line fast on the bow! Aye, securing the stern line now. Heave the line! Got it. Secure the bow line to bollard 3. Making it fast now!
Scan results incoming on the starboard bow section. Integrity holding steady at green levels. No anomalies detected. Confirmed. Data matches projections. Reviewing the post-trial diagnostics. Stress levels peaked here.
What caused the spike in the sonar logs at 0400?
This officially marks the acceptance of the newest vessel into the fleet.
We appreciate the trust you've placed in us. It's an honor.
Pressure approaching 5,000 psi.
Levels holding steady. No anomalies detected.
Acknowledged. Continue ascent profile.
PSI levels holding steady at 10,500.
Radiation scan confirms green across the board. Shielding is secure.
Bringing the navigation systems online now.
Power levels stabilizing across the board. We are good to proceed with the sonar test.
Initiating forward ballast vent sequence.
We're rising too fast.
Counterflood bow tanks.
Initiating final rod withdrawal sequence. Approaching criticality.
Confirmed. Stable power confirmed.
We're showing a deviation on the primary sonar return. We need to stabilize the PSI levels now.
Acknowledged. Initiating stabilization sequence.
Maintain course 290. Increase speed to flank.
Aye, Admiral. Speed increasing. Depth stabilizing at 500 feet.
We proudly present this submarine, built by the dedicated teams of Electric Boat and Newport News Shipbuilding. May she serve with honor.